In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change order of products on Squarespace. If you want to control how your products appear in your online store, Squarespace makes it pretty simple to rearrange them manually. This is useful if you want to feature certain items first, organize products in a more logical sequence, or refresh the look of your shop without editing each product individually. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and head to your site dashboard. Once you're there, click on Website. This will take you into the main area where you manage the structure and content of your site. Next, click on Pages. The Pages section is where you can view and manage all the major areas of your website, including your storefront. If you're new to Squarespace, this is also the place where navigation and page organization are handled, so it's a good section to get familiar with. From there, find and click on Shop. This opens the store page where your products are listed. Depending on how your site is set up, this may display the products currently available in your store and allow you to manage how they are shown. Once you're inside the shop section, you can change the order of your products by dragging and dropping them into the sequence you want. Simply click and hold on a product, move it up or down the list, and place it where you want it to appear. This manual arrangement lets you customize the browsing experience for your visitors in a very direct way. As you do this, take a moment to think about the customer journey. For example, you may want your best-selling products near the top, seasonal items first, or related products grouped together. A clear product order can make your store feel more intentional and easier to shop. If the change doesn't appear exactly as expected right away, give the page a moment to update and make sure you're rearranging products in the correct store section. It can also help to preview your shop afterward so you can confirm everything is displaying in the order you intended. And that's all it takes to change the order of products on Squarespace. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how your store looks and how customers interact with your products.